Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Aihoye car vacuum portable cordless. There are features include superior 22,000 PA suction power and brushless motor. The electric cordless vacuum cleaner featuring an upgraded brushless motor and 22,000 PA of maximum suction power for quieter operation, longer motor life, and long-lasting performance. This car vacuum cordless also provides 100-speed infinitely variable speed control, experience unmatched cleaning power. You can easily tackle pet hair, crumbs, dust, and sand in car seats, sofas, and tight crevices. 4-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner. More than just a vacuum. This portable car vacuum cleaner offers blow, suction, and inflate functions with multi-purpose nozzles. Whether you clean your car's interior, inflate your swimming ring, or extract air, this versatile handheld car vacuum simplifies various cleaning tasks, giving you ultimate cordless freedom. Rechargeable battery and universal Type-C charging. This car vacuum powered by a robust 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the mini handheld vacuum cordless delivers up to 35 minutes of continuous use. Recharge quickly in just 4 hours via the included Type-C cable, allowing you to charge conveniently anywhere with a USB port in your car, at home, or on the go. Washable and reusable HEPA cartridge. This handheld car vacuum cordless features a removable cartridge design. High energy efficiency cartridges can be washed and reused, ensuring efficient suction power while preventing blockage. Portable and smart dust LED light. This lightweight and ergonomic handheld vacuum for car is only 0.89 pound in weight, making it perfect for quick clean up your car, home, office, or even for outdoor adventures. This car vacuum always ready when you are. The handheld vacuum cordless equipped with green light can spot hidden dirt easily, ensuring no speck is missed. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.